Top 5 Amazing Moons. Number 5. Nereid, Neptune. Nereid was discovered in 1940 by Gerard Cooper. It is Neptune's third largest moon. It has the most eccentric orbit of any moon in our solar system. Because of this, the distance between Nereid and Neptune vary greatly. At its closest, Nereid is a mere 841,100 miles away from Neptune. At its farthest, it's 5,980,200 miles away. Because of how far away from Neptune Nereid's orbit takes it, it takes 360 Earth days to complete one full orbit around the planet. Number 4. Mimas, Saturn. This small moon was discovered in 1789 by William Herschel. Its average diameter is 246 miles. What makes this moon of Saturn stand out is the 88-mile-wide, 6-mile-deep impact crater named Herschel crater. Herschel crater is not the biggest crater found on a moon in our solar system, but it is quite amazing. It covers a staggering 1/3 of the surface of Mimas, and makes this moon resemble the Death Star from Star Wars. Number 3. Iapetus, Saturn. Discovered in 1671 by Giovanni Cassini, Saturn's moon Iapetus has been called one of the strangest in our solar system. It is 914 miles across, and is tidally locked with Saturn. One amazing thing about this moon is the stark difference it has in color and reflectivity. Half of the moon is as dark as coal, while the other half is exceptionally bright. Because of this, and being tidally locked with the planet, you can only see the moon when its orbit brings it on the western side of Saturn. It also has a mountain range, or equatorial ridge, that is 6 miles high and wraps around the equator. There are two leading theories on how these mountains were formed. Some scientists think the ridge was formed at an earlier time when Iapetus rotated much faster than it does today. Others think the ridge is made of material left from the collapse of a ring. Number 2. Dactyl, Iden asteroid. Discovered in 1995 by the Galileo spacecraft, Dactyl is a moon, less than a mile in diameter, of the potato-shaped asteroid Ida. It was the first moon discovered orbiting an asteroid. Scientists are unsure if the tiny moon is a piece that broke off of the asteroid, or if it was captured by the asteroid. It was the first evidence scientists had that asteroids had satellites. Since its discovery, over 24 moons have been discovered orbiting asteroids. Number 1. Europa, Jupiter. Europa was discovered by Galileo Galilei in January 1610. It is only slightly smaller than our own moon. The surface of Europa is striking, with dark lines crisscrossing it. Many scientists believe the lines on the surface are caused by eruptions of warm ice as the crust splits open. The moon is tugged on by Jupiter and Jupiter's other 3 major moons, splitting the crust and enabling this to happen. As beautiful and intriguing as this makes Europa, it's what scientists believe is below this thick crust of ice that makes Europa amazing, a salty, liquid ocean of water. Unlike Earth, it is believed the ocean on Europa is deep enough to cover the surface. Since Europa is far away from the Sun, the ocean has frozen over, creating a 62-mile thick ice crust. But through tidal heating, it is possible the interior ocean has managed to stay in a liquid form.